Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing what I got for Christmas, and I actually know what I got, but I'm gonna show you what the box. Okay guys, so this is what I got. Let's open the small one first. A C920 Pro HD webcam right here. So you can see this is what we'll be using for most of our videos now, because it also has a mic on it. Yeah, so it's definitely what we're using for our videos now. See, it'll be better quality with this cam, and it also is flexible, so I can move it whenever let's say I wrap presents or something. Let's open this up right now. So let's open this right now. This is it. I'm just gonna move my camera for a minute. This is it, I guess. Right here. It's pretty cool. And what we have now is TV, which I'll probably have to stand up for this. Oh, crap, guys. Like, if this was any thinner, I feel like it would be. Holy shit! Look how thin this TV is. Okay, guys, so I forgot to film an intro, but anyways, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.